Racing Chance is started with Batoy for us. Break quickly at the start. Serenata Zol Invictus is running by the rail. Paradiso while Ramis is the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Zol Invictus. Atoy for us is on the outside. Then next online is Serenata. Aramis is down on the inside while Paradiso now racing in less, and as they swing down the back, we have Zol Invictus by about 2 lengths. Atoy for Serenata. Down on the inside is Aramis, while Paradiso is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Zol Invictus by the length and a half. Aramis is down on the inside. Serenata. Then comes Atoy for us, while Paradiso is still running at the tail of the field. Last 400 meters of the race, we have Zol Invictus is still in control, maintaining a half-length lead. And on the outside, Serenata. Aramis, Atoy for us, while Paradiso is still running at the tail of the field. As they swing for home, we have Serenata. Zol Invictus is running by the rail. We're about 100 meters of the race. Serenata followed by Zol Invictus, and nearing the finish line, we have Serenata. Second is Zol Invictus. Atoy for us, Paradiso, Aramis.
3125 39